Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing a cold air intake, kind of like a DIY one. So here on the NBs, we're gonna be getting rid of this, and we're just gonna do a short ram intake somewhere, like get it in here somehow. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So we're just gonna start like pulling the old air box out and then get this out. We're gonna have to take the MAF sensor out of the loom, just back it up a little bit, and then we'll be able to put it over in here. Shouldn't be too hard. It'll be easy. We'll be able to get it done this evening. So, bink. Pull right out, yeah. We got the air box, all that pulled out. We got the piping, and we got this now. Goes over like this, and we got to cut some of this off so it gives us a little bit more room to shoot down in here. So we're gonna cut this off, I guess. So we're about like there. Yeah, we're gonna go over to the garage. I might just cut it with this handsaw, honestly.
A good idea to kind of like maybe heat treat the ends of that?
Maybe. Alright, let's see how this fits though. Leave that there. See, I'm just afraid because this will get hot and then this will get hot. That goes like that. It's almost like I needed a 90, you know?
Might be too big. It's almost there.
It really is.
Maybe just a little bit more trim, maybe? Or if we could just somehow wiggle it into place.
Alright, let's go get the pizza.
Break!
So, it's in there. It's kind of like all mangled in and whatnot. I gotta trim it a little bit to get the angles right so it all fits in nicely. But I think that's gonna be the fitment for it. It's not too bad. You can see there's a gap there, but if I don't know, if I twist this and maybe work it around, and I can get this more over up into here. We still have to pull the wires out of the loom though. Okay, so from what we started with this, we trimmed like up just literally so much off. I didn't think we were gonna have to trim this much, but it should. We should be able to fit it and just be like good for right now. So we have everything in. It looks actually pretty good. Okay, so we got all the wires like rerouted and everything. I couldn't really show you that. It's just, it's rerouting wires. We did that, kind of got everything situated. So when the hose clamps come in, go right over, and then one will go here, and it'll fit in real good. This hose is a little tight, but it was already tight anyways, so it's kind of weird for the OEM to be stretched that much. Okay, so it's way farther in the future now. I have everything put back in the car. I have the Mishimoto hose clamps all in, so I'm going to show you. We'll take a look. I think for what I spent making that and everything that I have in it, I think it turned out pretty damn well. I like the sound. It's like, intake noise, whatever. But I think it makes the engine bay look a little bit cleaner, look a little bit better. Sounds a little bit more better. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Happy with the results. It's super simple. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. If you made it here, definitely remember to like the video, give that thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.